The purpose of this video is to show you how to remove a circlip off of a Polaris Secondary Clutch. In the Polaris manual, they tell you that you have to use a tool called a Universal Clutch Compressor Tool. It's a PU50518 is the number on it. They tell you that you have to use this tool to compress the clutch, or to compress the spring inside the clutch, in order to release the tension off the circlip. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it with just a vise and a C-clamp. What I'm showing you right here is I've basically put the secondary clutch in a vise. You can see it mounted in a vise.
Okay.
And now I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it basically just, about 60 degrees. And then I'm going to take this with my C-clamp. I'm going to clamp the two halves together just so that they don't move. And then the next thing I do is I kind of bump it on the top, and this will move the wedge basically down off the C-clamp. Down off the snap ring, and then with the pliers you can just remove the snap ring.